a.m. Daylight Time Wednesday, 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan.
U-shaped pattern. The jet stream winds will be coming over top of the Central Plains, the Gulf Stream moisture. Today, it's been pretty light winds and slow moving thunderstorms. Parts of the Midwest and parts of Kansas, maybe a little bit down into Texas.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, Berrien County in southwest Michigan, until 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 9:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Beverly Shores and moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near Long Beach around 10:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, New Buffalo around 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Three Oaks and Shorewood Tower Hill around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Bridgman around 10:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Buchanan around 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Berrien Springs around 11:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Michiana Shores, Grand Beach, Union Pier, Heston, Lakeside, Turner Shores, Harbert, Sawyer, and Gillian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 11:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: LaPorte County, Indiana, and Berrien County, Michigan. This is no weather radio station.